Let's talk about leveling up the game creation skills in the context of a workflow. If you are starting in Unreal or you have just basic fundamentals, you need to learn while creating and sharing. And if you don't want to drive yourself uninspired, you need not to only dominate the engine to create, but also connect with others. For that, I am presenting a workflow that combines these two elements. Unreal Engine 5 is an incredible tool that changes the game for creators. Its features, like blueprints, visual scripting, a huge asset library you don't need to create, modeling 3D tools, environmental design, Nanite for high detail geometry, and Lumen for dynamic global lighting, just to mention some, let you push the boundaries of not only gaming but other industries, including cinematography. These tools aren't just for AAA studios anymore. They are accessible to you, and that's a game changer. Think about how games like Fortnite or Hellblade 2 leverage these features. They are a proof that mastering this engine can help you create stunning, immersive experiences. So, you want to understand its reach and harness this power. But at the same time, you need to expose yourself. Bear with me for a second. Creating games isn't just about diving in and hoping for the best. A great workflow is about consistency, creativity, and a structured approach to the journey. But at the same time that you are learning the tool, you need an approach that allows you to convert your path into a solid job opportunities and your independent growth created brick by brick. This is why you need to create while learning the tool and share your progress to build bridges for opportunities. These two keys are the principle of my mentoring to new talents. But even if you don't have a person to help you follow up on your work, be vigilant that every week you dedicate a space of your time to create and another to share. If you miss one of these, the success of your path is at high risk. First, create. Unreal Engine 5 is your sandbox. Use it to build, explore, and learn. Every project or research you start, no matter how small, adds to your skills and confidence. But it doesn't end there. If in 1 week you made a discovery or took a step forward in your journey, create a short video of 3 to 6 minutes to present on YouTube that progress. Yes, share it on YouTube. At first they will be simple, but as time passes, you will become better at handling the tool, solving problems and challenges, and getting the attention of a community. This is how you attract a fan base, get feedback, and even land job opportunities with studios. The added benefit of presenting what you achieve is that there is no better way to sediment your knowledge than explaining to others what you did and how you did it. Most likely, when you start explaining, you realize the existence of holes of knowledge that you need to complete. And that's excellent for becoming an expert in Unreal. If you are going to find a job opportunity in a serious studio, they will assign you interview challenges, sometimes to solve in real time, that you need to approach with confidence. This confidence is built up by constant practice to achieve deep learning. Let's start with the creative phase. Whether you are building a level, scripting gameplay, or experimenting with materials, keep things simple at first. For example, say you want to design a first-person puzzle game. Start by blocking out the level with basic geometry. Don't worry about textures or lighting yet. As you refine your game, take advantage of Unreal's blueprints. This is an amazing visual scripting tool that lets you prototype ideas without writing code. Want to add a door that opens when a player steps on a trigger? Blueprints makes it easy and intuitive. The good thing is that you can find tutorials on YouTube or even use ChatGPT to ask questions and find solutions or a path for what you're looking for. And don't forget to test your game regularly. It is easier to fix issues early on than to scramble later. Play testing not only helps you discover bugs, but also gives you insights into how players interact with your game. If you share your game with the community and even give them a chance to play test it in exchange for joining your email list, They will become die-hard fans looking to be heard by you with the only goal that you create a great experience for them. What can be better than building these quality bridges? On the other side, sharing your work is as important as creating it. Think of it as opening the curtains to let the world see your masterpiece in progress. Platforms like YouTube are perfect for this when we talk about building a fan base. Once on YouTube, you will refer your content on LinkedIn to leverage your power in job opportunities and reach a professional community. Post time-lapse videos or even short clips of gameplay progress or new achievements to engage your audience. Doing this once a week at least for 6 months will generate a professional perception of you to start getting on the radar of studios and headhunters. The key is being consistent and showing progress toward dominating your art. One good idea for videos is to share before and after comparisons. For example, show your initial blowout level alongside the polished lit version. This will not only highlight your progress but also inspire others to join you, support you, or even learn from you. Another great thing about exposing yourself is that when you post, you have the opportunity to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for their support. It's not just about broadcasting. It's about building a community around your work. When you combine creating and sharing, something amazing happens. Your skills improve with every project or challenge, and your audience grows with every post. It's a cycle of growth that can lead to incredible opportunities, whether it's collaborating with other creators or catching the eye of a game studio. Set weekly goals. Spend time building your game, but also allocate time to documenting your progress and sharing it online. Over time, you see how much you've accomplished by measuring your followers and your fans. YouTube will be the most important social media platform on which to share your progress. Do it weekly. This consistency will allow YouTube's algorithm to understand you and your content to help you reach a wider audience. Let's be honest, the road to mastering Unreal Engine isn't always smooth. There will be days and weeks when you'll stalk and probably feel there's nothing to share, but you are wrong. You can always find a new thing to learn and share. If you feel frustrated, go back to the basic and play with them. Create something simple that works and then move slowly back and with fresh ideas to your old challenges. The solution is always there. You just need a different perspective and a clearer mind to approach it. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and leave a comment to let me know what you're working on. Until next, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep dreaming big. See you soon, creators.